10th class students, today's topic is Ogive. It is compulsory question in our examination. What is Ogive? The cumulative frequency curve of a given frequency distribution is known as Ogive. That means a frequency table will be given. For it, we have to draw cumulative frequency curves. Then those curves are called Ogive. It is of two types, less than type Ogive and more than type Ogive. What is less than type Ogive? Upper boundaries of the class intervals on x-axis and less than cumulative frequency on y-axis. That means abscissa, that is x coordinate, is upper limit of the class and ordinate y coordinate is corresponding less than cumulative frequency. Let us solve a question. We can understand it easily. Draw less than type Ogive to the following frequency distribution. Here a frequency table is given. Now we have to draw less than cumulative frequency curve, that is less than type Ogive. Class interval is given here, frequency is given. Now cumulative frequency less than type. Here 2040 is there. So upper limit is 40. So we have to take less than 40. Less than 40 are only 4. Next, less than 60. Here 20 to 40 are 4. 40 to 60 are 6. So less than 60 are this 4 plus 6, that is 10. Next, less than 80. Same way, 4 plus 6 plus 10 is 20. Next, less than 100. We can do in this way, 20 plus 16, 36. Next, 36 plus 12 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. 55 plus 3 is 58. Here, less than 40, less than 60, less than 80 are so and so on are here. That means on x-axis we have to represent 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160. On y-axis we have to represent correspondingly 4, 10, 20, 36, 48, 55, 58. The point is 44, 60, 10, 80, 20, 100, 36, 120, 48, 140, 55, 160, 58. That means these points should be represented on a graph sheet. First point 40, 4. So and so on. The last point 160, 58. Look here. This is called less than type Ogive. We represent 40, 60, 80, 120, 100, 120, 140 and 160. That means the upper limits, and on y-axis we represent less than type, less than cumulative frequency. This is called less than type Ogive. Similarly, second one, more than type Ogive. Lower boundaries of the class intervals on x-axis and more than cumulative frequency on y-axis. That means abscissa. The x coordinate is lower limit of the class interval and ordinate y coordinate is corresponding more than cumulative frequency. Draw more than type Ogive to the following frequency distribution. This is class interval and it is frequency. More than type, cumulative, more than cumulative frequency we are writing. More than means more than 20. Next, more than 40, more than 60, more than 80, so and so on, more than 140. Here we took lower limits of the class intervals. More than 20 means all frequencies are, the total frequencies are more than 20. So the total is 58. More than 40, except this 4, all are more than 40. That means 58 minus 4 is 54. Similarly, 54 minus 6 is 48. 48 minus 10 is 38. 38 minus 16, 22. 22 minus 12, 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. These are lower limits. This is more than cumulative frequency. Now, 20, 40 to 140. We should represent all these on x-axis and more than cumulative frequency on y-axis. The point is 20, 58, 40, 54, 60, 48, so and so on, 140, comma 3. By representing, we will get a more than cumulative frequency curve or more than type Ogive. Next question. Draw Ogive to the following frequency distribution. Here he directly asked draw Ogive. Draw Ogive means we should draw both curves on the same graph. Here less than type we have to write and here more than type cumulative frequencies. We should represent both graphs, both curves on one graph. Both curves are on one graph is called Ogive. Don't forget to write scale on the graph. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. If the question is draw Ogive, then we must write median. How to write median? Draw a vertical line from the intersecting point of Ogive to x-axis. The base of that vertical line represents median. We have to find median from the Ogive curve. Draw vertical line from the intersecting point of Ogive to x-axis. The base of that line represents median. In this graph, the median is approximately equals to, look here, 80, next one 85, 90, 95 and 100. It is approximately equals to 92. Approximately we can write the answer. We need not write correct exact answer. Okay. Thank you for listening. This question is very important. Practice this type of questions as maximum as possible. Thank you for listening.